How to add or remove contacts to favorites on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Phone App and click on Contacts. After you click on Contacts, scroll down, and if you want to add contact to favorite, click on Contact. After you click on Contact, click on this icon. You will see first option is favorite. Click on favorite. You will see favorite contact is add. After the process, go back and you will see contact is add on favorite list. If you want to remove, click on contact and you will see click on favorite. You will see and go back, you will see contact is removed to favorite list. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove contacts to favorites on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.